p.m. At 7:18 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 5 miles west of Gosel, or 14 miles southeast of McPherson, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. The tornadic potential of this severe thunderstorm is once again increasing. Locations impacted include Lehigh, Hillsborough, order